Okay guys, Sunday the 12th of July 2026, and Amistad is checking out these two wrens. I'm sure there are a couple. And so we're in the upstairs hay mow right now, and they're setting up the alarm. We have a nest just below Amistad, on top of the overhead door. That's why I don't want to have Kathy open the overhead door, because it's full of babies in there. You can hear them squealing in the morning when they're feeding the babies. But right now they're trying to avoid being eaten by Amistad, who thinks they taste like chicken with teriyaki sauce. Okay, see you guys. It's early morning. I'm heading to church in about an hour and a half. Bye.